Students, today we are going to discuss objective question of the adventure of Toto, and which has been written by Ruskin Bond. Now, one by one, you have to raise your hand, and I am calling Tanuska, and she will ask question, and then you have to give answer and maintain discipline. Okay? Now,
From girl side, who was Nana?
The family donkey.
Correct. From boy side, what did the ticket collector classify Toto as?
Dog.
Right.
first you have to raise your hand. When she will allow, okay, you stand up, then you have to give answer. Okay? Now,
Which of his pets did grandfather carry in his pocket while going to Saharanpur? Right. Where had the writer grandfather go and why? Where had the writer grandfather go and why? Why?
why?
Hard to get it.
Who is the writer of the story The Adventure of Toto?
Ruskin Bond.
And listen, you have to give everyone chance. Okay?
Toto added dash to his good looks.
Once
Toto
again.
added to his good looks dash.
What added good looks in Toto?
His tail.
Correct.
Hey, raise your hand. Okay? When I will allow, you have to stand and you have to give. Not do like this. Okay?
How did grandfather react when Toto tore the writer's school blazer in two streets?
Once again, repeat.
How did grandfather react when Toto tore the writer's school blazer into streets?
Raise hand. Girls, raise your hand first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No one. Okay, now same question goes to boy side. Stand.
He seemed pleased with the monkey performance.
Don't speak in Hindi, okay? Always try to speak in English. Now,
How much Toto did cost the grandfather?
once again repeat.
How much did Toto cost the grandfather?
Girls,
5.
silent. The right answer is for 5, okay? Now,
Name the thing Toto destroyed at the writer home.
once again repeat question.
Name the thing Toto destroyed at the writer home.
Stand.
Wallpaper, curtains, blazer,
Cloth. Cloth.
Okay. Sit. Correct.
Where was Toto died?
Where was Toto tied? Okay, now, girls, it's your question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, boys, same question. You stand up. Stand, you
In
stand.
the bucket.
Yes, once again.
In the bucket.
Okay. Don't laugh. Yes. Yes.
In which city did the author and his grandfather live?
Once again, repeat question. Oh, girls. Okay, stand. Dehradun, is it correct? Okay, now repeat once again question.
In which city did the author and his grandfather live?
Okay, now next question.
From where did the grandfather buy Toto?
Prince. Okay. What I have said, whom I will allow, you have to give answer, okay? Now,
Why did grandfather take Toto along with his heat and Saharanpur?
Once again.
Why did grandfather take Toto along with him at Saharanpur?
Saharanpur. Okay, now. Girls. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Why did grandfather take Toto along?
Stand up, Siksham. Speak in English. Tortoise. Is it correct? Once again, repeat your question.
Why did grandfather take Toto along with him at Saharanpur?
Is there anyone who want to give answer from girl side? No one. Now 5 is completed. Boy side, you stand up, Aditya.
To collect his pension.
To collect?
His pension.
Is it correct? To stand you.
Because he disturbs every animal in night when they gone to sleep.
Okay, very good. Now, next question. No problem.
Why did grandfather keep Toto presents a secret in the house?
Once again, repeat.
Why did grandfather keep Toto presents a secret in the house?
Okay, stand.
Because Toto was very naughty.
Yes. Next question.
What did Toto tear into states?
Stand. Is it correct? Okay, now. Okay, yes, same. Now.
Why did grandfather buy the monkey?
Why did grandfather buy the monkey? Girls, it's your question. 1, 2, 3. Why did? She had asked, why did?
Because grandfather needs a pet.
Okay. Yes, is it correct? Yes. Okay, you speak.
Because the toga driver kept the monkey near the bucket and the grandfather doesn't like to keep the monkey in the bucket.
Yes.
So the grandfather told that he would keep the monkey in his zoo.
Very good. Yes, this is correct answer. Very good. Next question.
What had Toto done to Nana?
Once again.
Yes, sir.
What had Toto done to Nana?
Okay, girls, it's your question. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Over. Once again, repeat question.
What had Toto done to Nana?
Okay, boys, it's your question. Okay, yes, stand.
Toto and Nana became friends.
Once again, repeat.
Toto and Nana became friends.
Is it correct? You.
Fashion her teeth from her ears.
Once again.
Fashion with teeth on her ears.
Is it correct? Okay.
What could Toto do with his tail?
Okay, now girls, it's your question. Repeat once again.
Name the thing Toto do with his tail.
What did Toto do with his tail? 1, very simple. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, boy side, who wanted to give answer? Only one hand stand. Speak.
Name the thing Toto do with his tail.
Speak.
Toto tries to pull his tail.
Say, okay. Now. And another thing is, he used with the help of his tail, he started to climb on the trees. Okay, now. Next question.
What did the ticket collector classify Toto as?
What did?
What did the ticket collector classify Toto as?
Okay, now.
Dog.
Is it correct? Dog, okay. Okay.
How did Toto have his bath in winter?
Once again.
How did Toto have his bath in winter?
Yes.
Grandfather gave a larger about his water.
One second, repeat answer.
Grandfather is a larger about his water.
Okay.
Correct.
What is there anyone who want to give answer? Speak.
In a large bowl of water.
Okay, correct. Now, next.
How did the grandfather react when Toto tore the writer's school blazer into slits?
Once again.
How did grandfather react when Toto tore the writer's school blazer into slits?
Okay, now girls, it's your question. 1 second, I am counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now boys, it's your question.
How did grandfather react when Toto tore the writer's school blazer into slits?
Once again, repeat.
How did grandfather react when Toto school blazer?
What is the reaction of grandfather? Yes, Prince. Yes,
Correct.
he was happy, he was very pleased that monkey is very active. Okay, generally we started to be angry. Okay, now Piyush is asking some question related to same lesson and you have to raise your hand. Then I will decide that who will give answer. Piyush, start.
My first question is Toto is the name of.
Toto is the name of. Okay, you stand. Okay, very good. Now,
Who decided he would be added to Toto's. Sorry, 1 second please. Who decided he would add Toto to his private zoo?
yes. Who will give answer? Speak. Grandfather, good.
The color of Toto's teeth, as mentioned in the story, is.
Repeat once again.
The color of the Toto's teeth, as mentioned in the story, is.
Yes. Red, is it correct?
White.
Sit down. Wrong. You have to not to give the answer, okay? Silent. Okay. After that. Okay, now next question.
From voice. What served as a third hand for the monkey?
Once again.
What served as a third hand of the monkey?
Okay, boys. Yes, speak. Is it correct?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Next question.
Who allows created a fuss when grandfather bought any new bird or animal?
Once again, repeat.
Who created fuss when grandfather bought any new bird or animal?
Okay, yes. Speak loudly. Grandmother, is it correct?
Yes. Where did they kept Toto for the first time? Where did they kept Toto for the first time?
For the first time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same question goes to girl side. Repeat question.
Where did they kept Toto for the first time?
Where did they kept Toto for the first time? Very simple answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, speak answer.
The answer is little closet.
Little
Closet.
closet. Yes. Okay, now. Very good. Next question.
Toto's bright eyes sparkle with.
This is boy side question. Yes. 1. Yes. Mischief. Yes. Okay, now.
What, according to the grandfather, added to Toto's good looks?
What, according to grandfather, added Toto's good look? Yes, very good. His tails. Now, next question.
Toto was carried to Saharanpur Inn.
Toto was.
Carried in Saharanpur Inn.
Yes, speak.
Canvas kit bag. Canvas kit bag.
Once again.
Canvas kit bag.
Okay. Very good. Next.
What is the name of the family donkey?
Yes. Nana. Is it correct?
Yes.
Yes.
Grandfather carried another pet in his pocket. Name the pet.
Tortoise. You speak. Okay, same question repeated. Okay. Now,
How was the relationship between Toto and Nana?
how was the relationship between Toto and Nana? Speak.
They never become friends.
He never becomes friend. Is it correct? Okay. Now,
What is the story about?
what is the story about? This nation is related to. Yes, speak.
Humorous and naughty of the monkey.
Is it correct? You repeat once again. Answer.
Humorous and adventure of the monkey, Toto.
Yes. Okay. Now, next question.
Toto was sold back to the first owner for.
First honor of Toto. Girls, 1. Very simple. 2. Tonga driver. Okay. Yes. Now, next.
Toto was not the short of the pet. He could kept for a long time. Who said these words?
Once again, repeat.
Toto was not the short of the pet. He could kept for the long time. Who said these words?
Who said this sentence?
Grandmother.
Grandmother. Is it correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same question goes to girls side. Repeat once again.
Toto was not the short of the pet. He could kept for a long time. Who said these words?
Who said these words? 1, 2, 3. Son-in-law. Grandfather is correct answer. You speak.
The answer is Ruskin Bond.
Yes. The narrator, writer is himself. It means you have to say grandson. No? If you have spoken this answer, then it will be correct. Okay. You have spoken, writer? No. Sit down. Okay. Now next question.
Who saved Toto from boiling? Who saved Toto for being boiled from a kettle?
Cattle.
Grandmother.
Grandmother. Is it correct? Okay. Now. Next.
Taking the dish of pulao, Toto made his exit through. Taking the dish of pulao, Toto made his exit through.
He has taken pulao and from where he exit? 1, 2. From the window. Is it correct? Okay. Now, next. Completed. Now, Bhavya.
How did Toto have his bath in winter?
From girl side, once again repeat.
How did Toto have his bath in winter?
Okay, yes, speak.
Grandmother gave him a warm water. A ball of warm water.
You want to speak? You?
Grandmother gave my large bowl of warm water.
Your voice is also good. Okay, next time I will give you chance. Okay, now. Next.
Why did the ticket collector not charge grandfather for carrying the tortoise with him?
Okay, 2 hands. Is there anyone? No one. Speak first you, then me.
Toto was a naughty dog.
Because he was not a dog.
Is it correct?
Yes.
Okay. Now,
What did the grandfather try to continue the ticket collector about?
speak.
Good and be ever.
Okay, now.
Toto was not a dog.
Toto was not a dog. Your voice is also good. Sit. Now, next question.
How was the Toto taken to Saharanpur? How was the Toto taken to Saharanpur?
In a Carval's kid bag.
Is it correct?
Yes.
Now, next question.
What did Toto do with the writer's school blazer?
Yes, speak.
He tore it into shreds.
Is it correct?
Yes.
You want to speak same answer?
Yes.
Speak. She is hiding her face. Okay.
What would grandmother do when grandfather brought home some new bird or animal?
Once again, repeat.
What would grandmother do when grandfather brought home some new bird or animal?
Only one hand. Okay, Piyush.
She made fuss.
Is it correct? Okay.
Grandfather believed that dash added to anybody's good looks.
A tail, yes. His tail, yes. Okay, now completed. Speak.
What sort of relationship was there between Toto and Nana?
Okay, same question.